Alright fellas, it's time to do a quick taste test of the Citra Pale that I brewed, what were it now, three and a half weeks ago, something like that, 4 weeks ago. It was a Crafty Brews kit what my son got me at Christmas. And if you've not seen any of them Crafty Brew kits, they're really good kits. Everything you need in them, all your grains, your hops, yeast, everything. And some kits you've a choice of yeast. And one of the plus sides of them is you've no half packets of yeast hanging round or hops. You've everything there what you need. It's still quite, let me turn that round, get quite hazy, but I've only had I think 1.5 pints, so I reckon another 2 or 3 pints out of this keg and that'll start to come out a lot clearer. But I don't think that looks bad, and if you like me, which most of you are, a cloudy beer to an home brewer don't mean a thing. So just before we have a taste, I'll just give you a quick rundown of what we've got. So it's a Crafty Brews kit, and it's 4.5%, and it came out just under. It was 4.4, so we're not far off. There were Marisota, and there was 4.3 kilos of Marisota, 300 grams of Munich malt, 125 grams of Cara malt, and hops were Citra and Simcoe. It was a 90-minute mash, and we sparged with 77-degree water and collected 26 litres of water, and then we did hop schedule, brought it up to a boil. Hop schedule was start at boil 20 grams of Citra, end at boil balance of hops, so that was 25 grams of Simcoe and 10 grams of Citra at end at boil. And like I said, it's turned out really good. So we'll give it a smell and a taste. And even though we've not used bucket loads, far from it. I mean, total, what did I say? There's only 55 grams of hops in total in this beer, but you can smell them. You can't individually, I mean, everybody knows what Citra smells like, and Simcoe, but you can't individually pick them out. They've like merged together. But you can, it is a hoppy smell. Definitely a hoppy smell rather than a malt. And I've had it carbing up at, what was it, I think it was 25 psi for, I think it was 4 days. 3.5, 4 days, something like that. And then I knocked it back, serving pressure. And I have it at 9, 10 psi. And does me. So, cheers everybody. We'll dive in. And I really do like this. Really, really do. Straight away, that first taste, it's just hops. Surprisingly, for the amount that's in this beer, they do come through quite strong in flavour. And I think it's Simcoe that's coming through. And there's a slight sweetness, and then it leads off to quite a sharp bitterness, which I like in a pale ale. I like a decent bitterness in a pale ale. And I'd say we're medium bodied. And at 4.4, call it 4.5, it's quite a good sessionable beer. And I'm thinking that's one I'd do again. Citra Pale Crafty Brews. I've done a few of their kits now, and I think this, out of ones I've done, this and the chocolate milk stout are the best two, and I'm glad I've got this on tap. I did I did bottle 4 or 5, not from keg, bottled them bitter sugar. So I'll let them condition, and I might send them 4 out. Excuse me. But there we are. Crafty Brews, Citra Pale, and I think it were only something like £11 odd. For kit, if you said it were £11 something, and I ordered over 60 quid, 60, 65 free delivery. I ordered over whatever it was, and it was free delivery. So I think it's costs ridiculous, something like, I don't know, 30 pence a pint or whatever it is. Can't go wrong, can you? So I'll love you and leave you again, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers everybody.